Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I'm going to show my new Scalp brush by S Heart S that I got from Japan. They have several different kinds and more than 2 million have been sold. This one is called Scalp Brush World Model Short. They have a longer one too, but I got this one because I always like it compact for travel. This one is for shampooing, but it's really multi-purpose. First, detangle your hair and loosen dust before shampoo. Massage your scalp towards the ground after you lather your hair, and rinse with the brush to help clean the pores. You can repeat this with the conditioner too, and use it to blow dry your hair to give a volume. They have a patent on the scalp hugging design with different length bristles with different firmness. The long bristles clean your scalp, and short bristles massage your scalp. Compared to just using fingers, this brush reaches to clean and massage the pore of each hair more precisely and thoroughly. As a result, it helps to improve circulation of the scalp, prevents odor, increases skin elasticity, and creates better environment for your hair health. But when I first learned about this brush, it was for a completely different purpose. It was for lifting your face. As I saw in the YouTube video done by Japanese hair and makeup artist Akeko, it was amazing to see how much her face was lifted, so I'm going to try it on myself. Today I'm going to do it on this side because it looks puffier. You simply brush the side of your head from the ear towards the ground slowly. It feels really nice to be massaged with these bristles. It's very different from the paddle brush that I've been using for my scalp, which is still great for massage, but this one gives more detailed coverage. I did about 50 times total. I wish someone else is doing this for me. You can see the color of the scalp changing, but it doesn't hurt at all. I need to check the before picture, but I think it's maybe lifted. What do you think? This side is definitely warm and tingling right now. Here is the before and after on the left side. The puffiness is reduced and the face line is smoother. I am happily impressed. I'm going to try on this side too. I did about 50 times again. Now both sides are warm and tingling, and I have more awareness on the sides of my head. Here is the before and after of the right side. Again, the puffiness is reduced. This is the before and after of the full face. I think the face line is smoother, and I think the color of the face is better toned in the after pictures. I will be adding this to my shampoo routine and lifting my face, although I know it's temporary. I thought it was only sold in Japan, but I found it on Amazon, so I'll put the link below. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.